What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I am the Panda Photographer. This is a pre-recording. I am going to do an unboxing on my new softbox slash beauty dish. This is from Glow Easy, and it's from Innorel. As you can see, it's stick it up. It's delivered by UPS, and the guy again saying that I'm gonna watch your live streams. I can't wait for him to watch this one. But with that said, everyone, if you guys don't mind, please do subscribe, like, and share it on the content, and please do hit the notification bell icon so you can see more content like this. Why this particular video is so important? Well, because I have tons of modifiers for my flashes or strobes, but this one particular is probably going to be my top tier one. I like the tripod. It acts like a beauty dish because I love the silver linings on all of my softboxes, but one softbox is actually, let me just move this out the way first. This one here is the Go Docs. As you can see, as you can see, this is the Go Docs. It has a silver lining inside, but this one is grain texture, so it does the job well, but not as crispy when it comes down to the details. But I do like it. And I had this one since 2017. Then I have this. This is the tripod. This one, pretty simple. Not as fast as that big Go Docs one, which is 24 by 24. This also has a silver lining. Yes, it's a little bit of a tedious to click in place, but I like this because I'm a bonus mount user. So take this video with a grain of salt. Now, I use this particular a lot until I left it in Portland, as you've been aware of that. But this one, as you can see, the lining is much more shinier, and there's a box square. This, I believe, this is box stitched. So, yeah, diamond stitch, you will see the diamond, but this is box stitch, which is nice. Like the texture. I use it just like this, but this here, my friends, it's going to be the top tier of all of them. So, let's unbox this baby. Let's see here. It says Adam Murmur. You can see the stickers in the frame. Okay. So, should we open it like this or nah? Yeah. Let's get close. Alright. It does say Easy Lock. This is called the Easy Lock. The Easy Lock 25 Quick Collapsible Beauty Dish Silver. I should title the video that way. Alright. Let's unbox this the right way. Alright, what do we get in the box? Ooh, nice bag. See ya, box. So, in the bag, or in the box, or, well, in the bag now. See ya, bag. We get a nice, that is so nice. Wow, that is really nice. Are you guys looking at this? This is really nice. Oh, whoa. See ya. Wow. I have to say, Glow, this is a pretty nice bag. You know what I can do with this bag? I can stuff a lot of things in here. Light modifiers. But anyway. Let's unbox this. Okay, let's talk about the bag. Okay, nice padded. Good quality. Looks sturdy. See how long it lasts. Ooh, we got a bunch of goodies in here. Oh. Keep the bag nearby. So this is the plate. This is going to be the beauty dish part of this plate. So put that to the side here. There are the diffuser panels. That's your choice that you can use. It comes with a grid. Nice! Guys, I stress this enough. I stress this enough, guys. I shit you not. Sorry for the language, but I don't like when softbox manufacturers, you pay $150 for a softbox, but you don't get a grid. This is what I'm talking about, and this was only $70, so take that with a grain of salt. Now, oh, this one feels a little bit heavy. Oh, yeah. This one weighs. That one's soft and light, but already I can tell. Oh, nice. That is nice. All right. That is really nice. The quality, a little thin, but it looks like this is also box stitch. Okay, just like the other three. Okay. That tells me that this is going to last a long time. All right, let's open this. All right, you see that? So, in order to put this plate inside, which we're going to unbox this. Whoop-hoo! See ya! I'm going to have to put the plate in first. Doesn't matter which side you put it on. Well, technically it does. Because I do want that to be on. Oh, yeah. Nice! Okay, this one I was told to be careful with. So, you gotta push down. And then, wow, that was easy than I thought. Lock in. Oh, wow, this one feels... This one's a beast. This softbox is a beast. Oh, wow. That is such a beautiful beauty dish. Look at that. Look at that, guys. That's such an incredible, beautiful... Look at the silver lining on that. Just like my tripod. So, let's continue. We got Instagram going on here, too, over here, guys. What's up, Hero? Hero! Oh, yeah, baby. Get your glow on. You know it. He has a 38-inch, he says, on Instagram, by the way. So, yeah. Let's continue to set this up, okay? While we are doing this recording. Okay, you guys see the silver lining? You see how there are these button tabs for the diffuse part, which we're going to be using right now. So we're going to open this. Let's get this down from the table. So you guys can see this beautiful shirt that I'm wearing. Come on, give me a like if you love the shirt. So if you're on a date, and you weren't listening to your date, and you're eating ramen, you always have this excuse. That's my philosophy. It's all about that. It's all about that ramen game. I'm telling people, you guys, if you never ate ramen or all types of ramen or rice noodles, oh guys, you're missing out on some crazy good food. All right. So, this has a circular pattern. You see this? So, this has a much lighter and there's a much more padded white soft center. So, you can see it, or we can do a transparent on top. As you can see that circle there, that's for good reason. That's a hot spot. So, if you are using this as a softbox, this is the hot spot. This is the nice even spread. So you understand. So let's just pop it in like so. Let's get this ball rolling, shall we? All right, we're gonna button this up. Thank you guys for subscribing, liking, and sharing. Make sure that you guys hit the thumbs button so you can support this channel and say this is some good content. It's fun. It's different. I'm not like the other photographers. I like to have fun and do this at the same time. Can't be serious all the time. Well, yes, you're serious, but you can have fun. Now, if you guys are going to ask the questions, can you have fun with your clients? Yes, you can. Of course you can. I don't see why not. Come on, that brings more clients when you are actually open-minded. You got a kind heart. You bring the thunder to the job, to the location, to the photo shoot. You bring up laughter, you bring a humor. People like that. People that understand how to live a good life. I'm the Panda Photographer, everybody. I'm just gonna leave this mountain in because it seems tedious. So this is why I want to make a comparison video later. So we can go do this on a live stream because this looks nice. Look at that. Wow, that looks really nice. Look at that, Instagram. That looks beautiful. Look at that, guys. Look at this. Yeah, you know you're buying quality. It's thick. It's padded. I like it. So I'm going to be using it like this. Just like this. This is how I'm going to use it. I'm not going to put the second diffuser on. Why? There's no need. This is a beauty dish. We want to make people look beautiful. That is the purpose. And then at times I will use the grid. When I use the grid, what time to use the grid? That's a good question. When's a good time to use the grid? Well, can I recommend something? There's daylight and there's night. I like to use the grid for nighttime. Daytime, I like to control, and I can love the spread I like, so I make sure my whole subject is lit. But for this, it has to be nighttime. I like using it because I want to concentrate the light source to just in a certain spot in the area. I like this grid. So, but let's compare for now until later the Tripo versus the Glow. This is supposed to be 25 inches. I don't know. This is bigger. This Glow is actually bigger. What do you guys think? It is actually bigger. Yeah, it's bigger. Oh, wow. But they both work. But, I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? I think this might do the job. We're going to do a comparison. Oh, yeah. And then we can do another comparison on a live photo shoot. To see which one actually works better. You know the Glow is going to come out on top. Come on. We know that. But, with that said, everyone, thank you for watching. I got Instagram looking in the background behind the scenes. But with that said, everyone, please do subscribe, like, and share the content. You guys want to financially support the channel? There's a PayPal, Cash App, Venmo. I will leave the links to all this stuff in the description, so you guys could go ahead and buy it. But with that said, everyone, eat, sleep, photography, videography, and repeat. I almost did a blooper there. And I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys take care of yourselves. Happy shooting.